Hi, I'm Kara, a 2019 graduate from Mid-Pacific. We gathered former graduates to sit and chat a little bit about our favorite school.
It really is a special place, and I don't know if I can truly put it into words. Let's talk about Mid-Pac.
Okay. The biggest point that Mid-Pacific is really known for, or that separates them from other schools in Hawaii, is the fact that they bring togetherness and individuality within a diverse community.
Besides like the education and like the school itself, I think the social atmosphere is very different too.
I went to a public school in Evo Beach, and then I came to Mid-Pac. At the time, I was very skeptical on whether I'd fit in or not.
Me too.
Yeah,
I mean, I feel like
I feel like everyone has that. Mid-Pac's like that place where you can learn different things and be challenged. At the same time, be in a very homey environment where you have a lot of good friends.
I feel like it's like a very close-knit community, so it has taught me like lessons about family.
You could see, we walk by anybody and say hi, and they'll say hi back. You know everyone in your class. We just have really good people, a great community.
I think those connections and memories I made helped shape me into who I am, how I think, what I do, how I study, and that kind of stuff. So it kind of shaped who I am, both as a person and academically.
Everyone kind of knows each other because our classes are smaller, and I really like that.
I know in a lot of the big schools it's easy to just kind of disappear, but at Mid-Pac I really feel like each student does matter.
It's a really welcoming environment.
There's not really like a class either. It's like you're all kind of one student body.
Yeah, we're all kind of on like one level.
Yeah.
And we're all just kind of friends. Do you think that's what sets Mid-Pacific apart from other schools?
Oh, definitely.
I'm proud to be Mid-Pacific because of the community and just the great people that come out of there.
There are many times I completely bombed tests, and I was like, oh my God, I'm not gonna recover from this.
And you just kind of have to be comfortable in the uncomfortable, I guess.
Change and being out of what you're used to isn't a bad thing necessarily.